To all the beginners out there who are interested to learn about N8N, so I've tried my best to break it down into simple terms, and I have shared very interesting stuff which you will not see somewhere else, like regarding its website, its forum, its templates. It's very interesting stuff for all the beginners out there, and that will be very useful for you to start this journey. So let's check this out.
So in this episode, we will discuss about N8N overview and the basics of how its executions, what are the nodes, what are the workflow. So let me show you the two different N8N. So we will start with the N8N agent platform, right? We will be talking about these things, core concepts, dashboards, supporting tools, and everything. So now this N8N, see, there are three different ways you can have N8N. First, you can self-host on your PC. And in my previous video, I have mentioned that when I was using on my PC, I used for almost 6 months, but somehow my laptop was getting heated up, and I was facing bit issues with my other softwares. They were not running smoothly, and that was also fine. It was like I was able to manage that, but what was happening that when the terminal was running, if I have to restart or I have to shut down my laptop, then I have to restart everything, and that was not convenient, right? So I was looking for like a solution that okay, I will pay, but I don't want to go through it just for the free, because in when you're running on your PC, it's free, right? There is no counting that how many executions or something you have to pay for that. There's nothing, it's all for free. So I then I opened this on N8N itself, but it was a bit pricey. I thought that if I'm learning, and so I need to have a cheaper option, then I have bought it from Hostinger. As you can see, I bought it from Hostinger, and when you will get the payment, everything done, and I bought it for 12 months. As you can see, I have bought it for 12 months, and when I open manage app, it directly take me to my N8N. And as you can see here, Hostinger cloud is written, right? And now when I have my on the website, as you can see, for you guys, I have opened it just to show that you will get for 14 days free, and it's great, like in 14 days. So you can do amazing create amazing workflows and for the practice, and you will get 1000 execution. And as you can see over here, it is Meher Khan. It is not like it is being on your on N8N website. So this way it's your choice, because if you are buying on Hostinger, you have to buy there and there. But if you want to test and you are a beginner, you can open on N8N website directly and to go for 14 days. And after that, when you have to pay, don't pay. If you want to have it, then switch to Hostinger for the cheaper option. Let me take you to this help. Now this section is really nice actually. You will get a lot of information. First of all, you will, if you want to know about N8N, if you want to have a quick start, like if you want to have like N8N team to teach you, so you can see this video right on YouTube. And they have the courses also. So if you're someone looking N8N to be like in coming year, specializing, getting expertise, you can have the course, beginners level intermediate course. You can do that, right? And you have amazing forums, the community who is always ready to help. You can post questions. As you can see, the other people are coming and sharing their problems, sharing some, they have learned something new. Even see there is hiring also. You can see hiring also, you have the jobs. So it's great supportive community by N8N itself. Like you don't need to go here and there on the WhatsApp, Telegram. It is better to be a part of, because sometimes it's really overwhelming where like on LinkedIn, join my community, then you go to school. I know those are amazing community, no doubt about that, but sometimes we doubt that whether I should join or not, and it's overwhelming. So it is better to join an A10 community itself, because you will get a lot of great invites. You like I live here in California, in San Francisco. They have these meetups. I get on Luna app, I have registered myself. I keep getting invite from N8N to join their office and be a part of these different workflows they are creating. There's amazing things, and it's a free of cost. So similarly, in your community, in whatever the city, you will get a notification that these communities keep on having all such meetups. And if you're not able to join, if you're not in that same city, you can see on this YouTube, they host somewhere, right? You will get the link of the Zoom link. So it's a great community. documentation is really important because if you are for example, it happens like when we're working with clients, when we tell them that we will be creating this on N8N, definitely everybody know. It's like, what is N8N? We don't know. And nothing wrong in that. For the client is doing their business, why they care about N8N, but they still feel that, is it something spammy platform where she will be taking all my Gmail account, all my Shopify, connecting all these things. So for those people, and they have their team, right? So it is always great that you share these documentation and welcome them. Hey, this is the documentation hosted by N8N. Please go read it, how we do the hosting, how do we handle, what are these APIs, rather than you explaining. Sometimes when you're explaining, they feel okay, but if you will showcase all these documentation, your client will like, okay, it is something you are using authentic platform to create whatever the business proposal you have come up for using the N8N platform. So documentation is a great, we neglect that, but running for a business, you can attach this URL in your contract to be on the safer side, right? If they have some issue, so you can always refer that, hey, I have already shared this documentation, have you gone through that or not? As you can see, here are the templates, and this is the gold. Like few months back, it was of 15 to 1600, like a couple of the weeks now we have around more than 5000 workload. And salute to all these amazing people who are sharing their knowledge free of cost, which are tried and tested. And for example, this workflow, it says use for free. And N8N, they don't like anybody to give it their template and they will accept it. They have some set rules that you have to explain it, you have to give the steps, and there is a tutorial also attached to that, and the detail of the person, right? If you will open this, you will get to know more about this person, and even the website of the person, of the creator, I should say. See the amazing website. And in case, say, if you are, and you will get their more details, their resume even. So in case if you're an agency owner, you can hire them here, right? So this is one example. Similarly, you will see many such amazing people over here, and it has been categorized, like for the marketing, sales, you will get different people supporting and sharing their workflows. And and an N8N team have approve them, then only they are existing over here. So you can trust the team. And see the verified creators, you also one of them, like if I am creating templates, I will submit here and I will reach one stage that even I can get a verified creator badge, and it gives a lot of credibility for my account, right? So that is what I wanted to share. This template part, people, they ignore, but actually it's an amazing place. And you have your community forum, Discord, and you have the blogs, and you have your means, and these events I was talking about earlier. See on Luma, they have these amazing events going on, and you can check when and where it is happening, like hackathon, meetups, workshops. It's amazing. Like I in San Francisco, like every after a few weeks I get an invite. That's another thing I have. I'm really busy during the weekends, I'm not able to go. Not on weekend, usually they have on Friday or Thursday from 6 to 9. CDS, San Francisco, and 8 and meetup, 6 p.m. It's great, and it's all for free. And see how many people are joining. Around 270 people. And they share what they will be discussing. They will be have a question around. They will give the map. That is the Luma app. It organizes these events. So it's amazing. So you will get this information. You don't have to go outside. You will get it here on this community, where we are having all those templates. In the community, you will get all these things: events, experts, contribute creators. Now I wanted to share about the workspace, because people get confused. What is workspace? What are the projects, right? So in the workspace, actually it's your whole dashboard. So this is your workspace. This is your whole dashboard. That is your workspace. Okay. Workflow, that you create a workflow. Okay. Now you are creating a workflow. You can name this, right? And it is inside your personal. And from here, you can see you can create projects, and from there you will have your workflows where you will start from scratch, and then you will be having nodes. Let me show you one thing. See, this is your from here you can start like form, submission form. Okay, this is a submission form. Now these are the notes. Now let's talk about executions. So because they have a lot of confusion, because what we have to pay is as per the executions. So one full run of work, that is start to finish, is your one execution, and that is what you have to pay. That is what it is said that in a basic pay plan, you pay for around for 2,500 executions. Right now it is that, maybe it get reduced or changes, but you get this much, and it is it's enough. How? I will give you one example. For this is your workspace, and here you're having different nodes. Now you can say, man, there are so many nodes, so do I have to pay for each? No. Like right now, it is around 2022 maybe nodes. These are the nodes. Okay, let me. So these are different nodes, but it's starting from here and finishing over here. So it is one execution. So you have to pay for each execution. So for example, this is related to video creation. I create one video N8N through this AI automation. So what happened when client received it and he approved it, so it get posted on different social media. Now if they reject it, if it is running 2 times, so it is 2 executions. Okay, now 30 days, 30 execution, buffer 5 6, take it around 40 execution. So it is like you are getting almost 2,500 execution, and in a month you are using like 40 execution in where a client is asking for daily posting. It depends, right? Maybe you may get clients that in a week you're running twice, right? They don't need every day posting on their social media. I'm giving an example of that. For the UGC videos, we post on different social, because I'm a social media strategist. So in this, maybe I'm posting 3 times or just 2 times. So this way you will have a different like business models. Accordingly you have to pay, and it is much cheaper, and it's a great model, and it's not that expensive. That's what I wanted to say. In a basic plan you will get 2,500 executions, and if you will get it from Hostinger, it will be economical for you. Okay, so that is what I wanted to share regarding the executions. So pricing is based on execution, not steps, because I get this question a lot that if the nodes is getting increased, I'm having 20 nodes, so no, it is not. It depends on the number of the execution, and what is execution is from start to finish. I hope it was useful. So in our other classes we will be creating these interesting workflows, and I will be picking up those topics which you can connect with, where the clients are asking for these help, and we should offer such executions. So this way we will be creating very interesting one, and I hope you will enjoy it. Thank you.